Hello viewers, I'm as welcome back to my channel. So today I will discuss about the most important topic. So it's about the artificial intelligence AI. We all know that artificial intelligence AI has changed the world. People are using it for their research. People are using for the medical research as well. We should know how to write an accurate prompt for artificial intelligence and how to get a great help from artificial intelligence. So we should admit that it has changed the world. So it will replace some of the jobs, but it will create a lot of opportunities for the youth as well. So we should also discuss the positive points about the artificial intelligence. So uh, now, if I will talk about the involvement of artificial intelligence in our daily tasks, so these tasks are too much important, and we all are encountering these tasks, and we all are performing these tasks in our daily activities, and these tasks are the part of our life. So the first point, the involvement of the artificial intelligence in healthcare system. uh, it provides assistance for the providers as well. AI is also used in the medical research. Many providers, doctors, or practitioners are using artificial intelligence for their research as well, medical research as well. So, the third involvement of artificial intelligence is robotic surgery. We have seen in the United States of America that the robotic surgeries, so the AI-driven robotic surgeries are assisting the providers providers to the treatment of the people or to the treatment of the patients as well. So it is also a major development in the today's world. And the automatic vehicles. So the involvement of AI in the automatic vehicles will improve the accident errors. It will detect the errors and it avoid us to the accidents as well. So this is also a major development. And the next one is fraud detection. Yeah, so if we will uh, look at the bank, AI will monitor the transactions and it will avoid the frauds as well across the world. So I think the in the advanced worlds or the developed world, they have used artificial intelligence for the detection of fraud transactions in the banking system. So this is also a major development. And the e-commerce growth. AI-driven tools will provide the recommendations on the performances of searches on the uh, online scale. So it will attract the customers to buy things. So it will improve the e-commerce growth as well. So next one is content creation. So many people are using AI for their content creation. So mostly the faceless channels on YouTube, they are using the artificial intelligence for the content creation. Uh, so the AI involvement in education. Teachers, professors, scholars, and students are using artificial intelligence to get help from it, and it improves their educational development and the grooming as well. So, if I will talk about the most important involvement in today's world is the involvement of AI in industries. So, if we will look at industries, so the involvement in the advanced tools at industries reduces the tasks and minimize the time, and it also reduces the cost as well. So AI in hotels. Even we all have seen that in the advanced world or developed world, so the people are using the robotic AI-driven robotics in their hotels for assisting people and providing food to to the people as well. I have seen on the social media. I hope that you have seen as well. So it's major involvement in the hotels as well. So we can't ignore it. And the next one is this is also too much important. The world is now the world is focusing on the climate changes. So the involvement of AI in weather prediction and the climate changes modeling. So this is the most important usage of artificial intelligence in the weather prediction and climate changes modeling. So and now the world is facing the climate changes we have seen across the world, and the floods swept away everything across the world due to the melting of glaciers. It is also due to climate change, and we should focus on the plantation. We should reduce carbon dioxide as well, and we should also shift ourselves into renewable energies. It will reduce the climate change, as AI will give us a direction in that field as well, in the climate changes. So the major development is AI involvement in the cyber security. So we have seen that the tests of cybersecurity across the world. So the involvement of AI will reduce the cybersecurity attacks. It will protect the data and protect the people across the world. So that's why we should admire for the change, and we should focus on the development. We should use artificial intelligence for our daily tasks. Thank you so much, viewers. Please tap on the subscribe button.